All right, y'all. So what are we doing today? We are about to go move the cars, and we're gonna go to a detailing store, get some fresh detail supplies so that we can wash the whips. It's a little weird recording front-facing camera, so I'm new to this, not true to this. But yeah, cars in the back. We'll move the Jetta, get the beam warmed up, and then we got about an hour trip to the clean garage where we get our supplies. So stick with me and follow me on a day in the life of a Beamer boy. All right. So now get a little cold start on the beam. My valves are closed because it's late or early, whatever. Yeah, you see it? Of course, a stupid fucking car had to drive by at the exact time. But whatever, man. That's why I don't do this YouTube vlogging stuff. It's too much work. Just enjoy your cars. But she looks so good. Letting this baby warm up. I do like how it tells you like hot, cold at the bottom. Obviously, we already know how to tell, but it's nice that they have the little two lines, like the one line for when your engine's like cold, and then once it's at the middle, it's still technically like not at operating temp. So I do like that. But yeah, my boy put the orange lights, so we've been rocking the orange lights for now. And then, you know, before we travel anywhere, you already know we gotta let the sun in, let God in, you know what I mean? Let me crack this down, let that water fly off first. Yeah. I didn't have much time to film anything because it's my mom's birthday dinner today, so I gotta run. But we got two beams here. That's the owner's BMW. They said he just had gotten that. But yeah, this place is clutch. It's just like an hour from my house. Got some detailing supplies. Some PNS crystallage, some 3D beat it up, some PNS Pearl soap, some EnviroClean APC, and some 3D wheel clean. But look how much trunk space the coupe has. Stop playing with the coupe.